Thank you for tuning in to DeMacy Fine Watches. Today we will be discussing the Patek Philippe 5100J 10-day Power Reserve. The timepiece was introduced to celebrate the arrival of the new Millennium in the year 2000. There were only 3,000 pieces manufactured, with 1,500 in the 18-karat yellow gold. The timepiece featured an entirely new chronometer movement with a 10-day Power Reserve, representing the first in the history of watchmaking. This exquisite piece's rectangular case shows added appreciation with the manta ray styled flare-outs. The elegant dial is highlighted with gold daphne hands, Power Reserve indicator, and sub-second dial. The timepiece features one of the most advanced calibers ever developed by Patek Philippe. The case back allows for full view of the stunning caliber fitted with 29 jewels. Each 5100 is accompanied by a silver commemorative coin featuring the iconic sculpture located at Patek Philippe's manufacture in Geneva, inaugurated in 1997. To learn more about the Patek Philippe Gondolo 10 Days and other fine timepieces, visit our website at www.demacy.com. Thank you for joining us. Take care.